What's up guys, it's me Lego Paradise here, and today I'm going to show you how to build this working Lego barbecue grill. So let's take a look at how it works. To begin our barbecue, we'll first need to open up the grill, and we can also extend the folding shelf on the side to allow us to store our condiments. So today we'll be barbecuing a pair of hot dogs, and before we place the hot dogs on the grill, we can switch it on. So you'll see as soon as we turn on the barbecue, it starts glowing red hot to let us know that it's ready to start cooking. So next you can take 2 hot dogs and place them on the grill. There's plenty of space for even more different Lego food items if you want. And then we can close up the grill again while it cooks. And then once your barbecue is finished cooking, we can open up the grill again and switch it off. And here we have a finished hot dog ready to be made into a full hot dog with the bun. So this is a great little design for a Lego barbecue. It's all in one, it's got everything you'll need, space for condiments, cutlery, a stand, and an opening and closing grill, with the main feature of it being able to be turned on with the help of a Lego light brick. And it's also a perfect size to fit in your minifigures' backyards and gardens. So let's take a look at how to build it. Here are all the pieces you're going to need to build your working barbecue grill. And we'll start by building the front of the grill. So we can begin by taking these 2 bracket pieces and just holding them together for the moment, because we'll need to place the 1x2 plates with the clips on the end on the top halves, just like this. And holding them together for now, you can place a 1x2 slope on this half and a 2x2 slope to secure all of those pieces in the middle. And then below that we can place a 1x1 plate with the clip that matches the direction of this clip. Then we can finish off the front of the grill by including a small temperature gauge, just so you can monitor the temperature on the grill. And just align that so that's nice and straight and looks nice. So then on this side we can attach one of our 1x2 plates with the bar attachment, and this can go facing this direction. And on the other side, this is where you can actually clip some cutlery. In this case, I've used a small spoon. And we can put this assembly aside for now, because next we'll build the back of the barbecue grill. So for this you'll need your 1x2 brackets, and just hold them together, just like this. And then you can clip the second bracket on top of each of the other brackets to create this pattern. With this pattern you want to place this upside down, just like that, and you can secure this build in place with a 1x4 plate. Then on top of that, just take a couple of hinge bricks, the 1x2 variety, with the 1x2 hinge tops on them like that. And then you can begin building the lid of the barbecue grill, which is just made using these 1x1 round slope pieces. They provide a very nice cover for the top of the barbecue. And you'll see as you join them all together, they should match up and create this nice curved shape that can angle downwards. So again, to secure these pieces in place, you can use a 1x4 tile. And that should all act as a closing lid. And don't worry if that comes apart at the moment, we'll secure that in place in a little bit. Now let's build the grill itself. So for this you'll need to take the light brick, and this will act as a centre for the entire build. And then we can use these 1x2 grill pieces to represent the actual grill. I've used some shiny metallic ones for that extra metal effect. And then on this side, since this is only a 1x3 or a 2x3 light brick, we can extend that so it looks 1x4. And you can see that now with that transparent red piece, the light travels through to the very end and just enhances that glow of that entire area. So then we're going to want to take a 1x2 plate with the 2 clips facing this way, and you can attach the shelf for the condiments on the side, just like that. And then in this gap, you just simply fill this in with two 1x2 plates. And then you should end up with a nice 2x4 assembly where you can attach all the other parts that we've built so far. So the front half goes on this side, and then the back half goes right over the back. So basically the switch for the light brick should be on the right. And just make sure it's working. And now you should also be able to turn on the light brick using this 1x2 plate. So you can keep it turned on without actually having to press it. And then obviously you can just pull it back to switch it off. It doesn't need to be all the way pulled back, just enough so that the light brick switches off. So we're almost done. We might as well build the condiments. And this is just a simple ketchup and mustard bottle design using a 1x1 round brick and a 1x1 round tile with the little bar attachment on the top. That works well as a squeezer, especially with the hole in the top of the bottle. So they look nice and they can be stored on the shelf. And then all that's left to do is to build the legs of the barbecue grill. So for this you'll need your 1x1 plates with this attachment on the end, and just join both of them together like that with the 1x2 plate on top. And then for the legs themselves, these can be a little bit fiddly to install, but you just basically have to press them down both at the same time until you end up with legs which reach a 1x3 gap. These should allow you to place the barbecue grill in any 3 wide space. You can just test that works by just pressing it down, and there you go, you can see it's attached to the base plate, so we know we've got it right. And you can do the same for the other side of the legs. And this is a very good height for some barbecue grill legs. It's good for minifigures and for the barbecue grill. Once the legs are complete, all that's left to do is attach them to the rest of the working barbecue grill, and they just go on top of these two grey panel bracket pieces. So that can go in the middle like that. And there you have your working Lego barbecue grill. And what better way to celebrate the completion of your barbecue grill by having a barbecue. So I hope you enjoyed building your working Lego barbecue grill, and if you did, be sure to give this video a like and comment, as well as share the video. And don't forget you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I build a wide variety of Lego creations and how to build videos of working Lego creations just like this one. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.